Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you all made it through the week. Hope you have some fun weekend plans. All right. So I thought instead of having slides today, I would just do a video announcement explaining everything you're going to do today. That might make things a little bit easier for you guys. So, first thing you're going to do, you're going to go over here to Canvas. And we have just completed day one's work. We've completed day two's and day three's. And here we are on Friday, September 4th, day four. So again, you're going to work top to bottom. So the first thing you're going to be doing today is an ebook scavenger hunt with your team. So if you click on that assignment, it gives you the details. Here it says you will need access to your ebook. All right. And once you have access to your ebook, it should look like this. And then you can click on that ebook scavenger worksheet link. And then here you're going to put your name, you're going to put your team number, and then you're going to put all of the group members' names that are actively participating. All right. So let's say I have Tom in my group, but he isn't with our group right now working on this. Then I wouldn't put his name down. Okay. And so the directions for this activity is to go through and complete each of these questions with your teammates. All right. So if let's say this first one says, why is it important to work in study teams? Well, you can just go ahead and type into this document because it's a copy. So you could just say, it is important because we help each other out. Okay. And there you go. That answer is completed. And you'll notice as you go along, a lot of these questions will be pertaining to the book. So this one, for example, says, how many chapters are there in this course? Well, if we go to our ebook and we look on the left side of our screen, it says all of the chapters. So if we count them out, we have 9 chapters here. So we'd say there are 9 chapters in the ebook. All right. So there we go. We just answered 2 questions. And so you're going to go through and fill out the rest of this with your team. Let's say you'd all like to edit the document at one time. Well, then you could just go to share and you could type in your teammates' emails, and then you could allow them to edit the same document you're working on. Or you could just have one recorder and have that person type in all of the answers as you go along. Now, if I were on Zoom, I would share my screen right now with my teammates, and so that way we could see the document and know which questions we have to answer. All right, so after we complete our ebook scavenger hunt, we're going to go back down to that assignment, and here it should say submit. All right, it says publish for me because this is a teacher view, but for a student view, it would say upload and submit. And so you would take that document right here, you would download it as a PDF, and then you would go back into your Canvas and click on upload, and then you would upload this assignment that we see is just downloaded right here. Okay, so that is how you submit that assignment. Now, your next thing on the agenda for today is to go to lesson 1.1.2 with your teammates. And here you are going to go to Edpuzzle. Now, since you haven't gone to Edpuzzle yet, you're going to click on this link and you're going to join a class. All right. In this case, you would be joining our class, CC2, Math 7, Cohort G. All right. So you would enter in this class code right here, HUCOGHO, and you would be able to join our class. If for some reason you're having trouble there, or if you log into the class and you're not seeing an assignment posted on Edpuzzle, you're going to go to this link right here. It says edpuzzle.com/assignments. Once you click on it and you enter in the information here, 7th grade subject, math, this comes up. It may not come up for you. New Glarus Middle School, awesome. Then it should bring you to a page that looks like this. It has a video That's called CPM CC2 1.1.2. You can see it's posted by me. And it is a 28-minute video. You're going to watch this video with your teammates. And you'll notice over here, there's a little to-do list. And then it has time markers listed, as well as what type of question you'll be answering. So you'll see open-ended questions between 9 minutes and 13 minutes. You cannot skip to 9 minutes right away and just start answering those questions because everything before it is super important. And so I actually have it where you cannot skip through the video. Instead, you would just click play, you begin watching it, and it's basically like you're in the classroom with me, and I'm going through the ebook with you, except there's going to be questions along the way that will pop up on your screen, and you'll type in answers to. Okay, so that's something really cool. It'll pop up right on your screen, and you can type in the answers right then and there, and click enter, and then I'll be able to see your answers that you've submitted. All right, so once you watch this video and complete all those questions with your teammates, you are going to go back to Canvas here, and then you're going to click on the final assignment for the day. So this lesson here was from 1.1.2 in our ebook. So if you wanted to have your ebook open as we go through the video, you can do that. After the lesson is completed, you're going to go to your review and preview problems in your ebook. So here I have my ebook tab open. This here is the lesson that we're going to be going through on the video. And then you'll get down here to math notes. And in your math notes, we'll do a preview or a review, excuse me, on perimeter and area, because this is a concept you guys should have learned last year. And then we're going to preview a little bit the area of a triangle, the area of a trapezoid. So these may be some new concepts to you. And then you're going to need to complete these questions down below, right here under preview and review, okay? And these questions are 1-11, 1-12, 1-13, 1-14, 1-15. I wish they didn't have the dashes because it looks like problems 1 through 11, but this is really just one problem, right? You'll notice as you go through in your ebook, if you're having trouble, then you can click on homework help, and it brings you to a screen like this. And let's say I'm trying to figure out the perimeter of this triangle here. Well, then I can click on step 1, and then it reminds me, for in this case, how to find the perimeter, and it's to add the sides together, right? So that's a really cool tool that you have available to you. All right, so after you complete these 5 problems on a sheet of paper, you are going to take a picture of that paper, and you are going to scan it using Cam Scanner. Maybe you hold it up to your computer camera if you do not have a smartphone available. And then once you scan it, you're going to send it to your email, download it, and then upload it into Canvas. All right. And remember, you're going to upload it into Canvas under review and preview 1.1.2. Okay. So just to review, you're going to complete this ebook scavenger hunt as a team. You're going to submit this document right here under where it says ebook scavenger hunt. There should be an upload and submit button in the top right. Then you're going to go back. You're going to click on lesson 1.2. You're going to join the Edpuzzle classroom. You're going to click on the assignments link, and then you're going to complete that 28-minute video while completing the questions along the way. And then finally, you are going to upload your homework problems and submit it right here under this folder, okay? So you need to submit on Canvas for ebook scavenger hunt and for the 1.1.2. As for the lesson 1.1.2, that is simply a video you're watching and answering the questions along the way. So you're not going to need to go into Canvas and upload anything to this folder right here. Just for these 2 you need to upload today. All right? Work through with your team members. If for some reason you cannot get all of your team members to join you, just worry about yourself. All right? Submit what you can submit. Don't put their names down under the team members' names if they're not actively participating, and I will reach out to them individually to see what we can do to get their work done, okay? But just try to get as many team members as you can to complete these assignments. All right, if you're missing one or two, no worries, because all you can do is really all you can do, right? All right, well, that does it for today. Hopefully these announcements helped you out. Uh, enjoy your weekend. I hope it's a great one. Thank you very much.